Hi there and welcome to my 2-minute tips for Photoshop and Lightroom. Today I'm going to give you a really quick overview of how to photo stack images using Lightroom and Photoshop so that you get a sharp frame from the front to the back of the image. Okay, so we're going to get straight to it. We've only got 2 minutes. The first thing I've done is I've already chosen my 3 images that I want to stack. So I've got my first one which has got a sharp background, a sharp midground, and the last one which has got a sharp foreground. What I'm going to do is make sure the first image is selected. I'm going to click Shift, then I'm going to click onto the last image. What will this do is select all 3 of the images. Now what we'll do is right click, go to Editing, and we want to edit them as layers in Photoshop. Okay, so I'm going to click there and they will now open up in Photoshop. Okay, so here we go. I now have all 3 of my images in Photoshop. I am going to select all of my layers first. So the first one is selected already. I'm going to hold the Shift key and click, and that will mean I've now got all 3 of my layers selected. So I'm now going to go up to Edit, and I want to align my layers first, just to make sure there's no discrepancy between the foreground, midground, and background. Yeah, just going to leave it on Auto, click OK, and it will just take a moment or two just to read the different files and just align them up. There we go, that's all done. Nice and easy. I'm just going to check that they've lined up okay, so I'm going to turn each of the layers off in turn. That looks good to me. So the next thing I'm going to do is go to Edit and Auto Blend Layers. I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to leave it on Stack Images, and I'm going to leave the default options on of Seamless Tone and Colours and Content Aware Fill for transparent areas, just to cover the bases in case there's any bits that aren't quite right in the stack. So I'm just going to click OK. I'm going to go through all the different options. It's working out which bits are sharp and which bits are out of focus. And then what it will do is blend those 3 images together and give you one file that is now combined together. So let's just have a look now. I'm going to zoom into my foreground. As you can see, that is all super sharp. Then I'm going to zoom into my background on this log here. And again, as you can see, that's a lovely sharp image. And there we go, so all done. I hope you've enjoyed this really quick overview of how to stack an image in Photoshop without any waffle. If you did enjoy it, I'd love it if you could give me a comment, a like, subscribe. All those things just help with the engagement of my channel. And if you want to see some more in-depth tutorials, there'll be more coming over the coming weeks. But that's it for now. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.